Namaste students, खुश रहो बेटिया. I JVM Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the types of bioremediation. Okay. So bioremediation, when we are talking, bio means life, and remediation means to remediate means to solve. Solving environmental problem using biological organisms is called bioremediation. Use of living organism to reduce or eliminate the environmental hazard. Okay, it may be a fungi or bacteria or any plant or any other organisms. So bacterial bioremediation may be in situ and ex situ. In situ bioremediation is eccentric or engineered, or ex situ offsite is slurry phase or solid phase. Okay. So in situ, like contaminated site is treated with point of origin, or like prevented the spread of contamination during the displacement and transport, or soil bioremediation at the site of occurrence. Okay. So intrinsic bioremediation is the conventional or the environmental pollution into hazardous or harmless substance naturally, depending on the inherent capacity of the microbes that are already present, utilized, or naturally existing microflora. Okay. So engineered system is applied when the intrinsic system is not suitable. Okay, better form of it's a better form of bioremediation where site is provided with the required nutrient, air, microbes, and other additives to enhance the bioremediation. Okay, so mainly employed to engineer the in situ bioremediations are bioverting, spraying, bioaugmentation, biostimulation. Okay, so bioventing is the process of supply of oxygen plus nutrient to the contaminated site. Okay, oxygen stimulates the indigenous microbes, and the blower or the compressor is connected to the air supply as well. Okay, so the peroxide or oxygen or helium is flowed out into the well. Okay, so biospraying is like injection of air to enhance the biological role of the indigenous microorganism, suitable for the benzene, toluene, volatile organic compounds, chlorinated, ethane, petroleum, hydrocarbon, vinyl chloride. Okay, which can this system can result best in 6 months or to 2 years. Low air injections, bioventing. Okay. So bioaugmentation is the addition of exogenous microbes to enhance the biodegradation process, mainly used for the treatment. So chlorine, chloroethane, chloromethane, thioacetate, phenol, tetrachloroethane, tetrachloroethylene, or mono or polycyclic nitrogen. Case study here, we can see many case studies are seen in wastewater containing harmful chemicals of thiocyanate, phenols, or ammonia or sulfur, or containing harmful gases or substances, petroleum leakage, oil splits. Biostimulation is the addition of inorganic nutrient to the contained sites or performed enhancing the indigenous microorganisms. Ex situ is the offset of the bioremediation process take place in all the ground levels, solid phase treatment, slurry phase treatment, or the occurrence of the bioreactor. After bioremediation, water is removed off. So bioremediation along with the ground or the nutrient easy to operate the landfill, solid composting, landfill forming biopiles, or used to convert the biodegradable hazardous waste into harmful products. So land forming or containing the solid into the extravagant, spreading into the land or periodically and tightly into the irrigation. So, Biopiling is the hybrid of the landforming and composite and setup of the similar landforming but composed of addition along with that of the contaminated soil. Microbes, nutrient and aeration undergo voltization to the contaminant recovery in the tank. So use of fungus, microbite modes or contaminants in polyvinyl, biphenyl or the digitoxin pesticides, etc. So phytoremediation is one of the aspects of bioremediation where they take place to solve two green plants used to treat the metal combined soil or uptake of the metal by the plant's roots. Bioaccumulation, Helianthus, Anus, Brassica, Unica, or limited shallow roots are used to rhizofertilization, use of the wastewater, phytovoltaization, the contamination of the soil in voltization, photostabilization, high treatment of use of high metal contaminant or the in place of immobilization contaminant, reducing the mobility, okay, of like pollutant, arsenic, lead, cadmium. Plants like Brassica hybrid popular grasses can be used to limit the contaminant remains in the soil mandatory. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any doubt, please write down in the inbox. I will resolve it in the